everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Coinbase application on your iOS device. To download Coinbase application on your iOS device, first make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once you do that, open up your App Store. In the search box, search for Coinbase, and once you perform your search, download the Coinbase application by tapping the install button right next to this application that says Coinbase Buy Bitcoin and Ether. Once you tap the install button or the download button, you'll be able to download the application right away. Coinbase is a leading digital currency platform that enables you to buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. Once the application is downloaded, tap the open button to open the app, and that is how you'll be able to get Coinbase application right on your mobile device. How to download Coinbase Wallet application on your iPhone. Download Coinbase Wallet on your iPhone. First, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, tap open your App Store. Into the search box, type in Coinbase Wallet and search. Soon after you find the application, tap on the download button to begin the downloading process for the app. Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody crypto wallet that puts you in control of your cryptos, keys, and data. You can safely store your crypto and rare NFT in the wallet and easily view all of your Ethereum and Polygon NFTs right in your wallet. Once you download the application and after it is ready for use, you can tap on the open button to open Coinbase Wallet on your iOS device. Now you can also find the application's shortcut in your app drawer. How to create a Coinbase account. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.coinbase.com and press enter. Once you end up in the official web page of Coinbase, click on the sign up button at the top right hand corner. Select your account type, whether you'd like to open an account for an individual or a business. And once you make your selection, click on get started. On the next page, fill in the form displayed on the screen. Type in your first name in the first text box. On the next field, type in your last name. Now, provide an email address for yourself into the email address text box. On the next field where it says password, create a password which includes minimum 8 characters in it in order to secure your account. Now, click on this little box beneath in order to certify that you are 18 years of age or older and also to agree to the user agreement and privacy policy. Finally, click on the Create Free Account button. Now, you might need to set up two-step verification for your Coinbase account. So choose your country from the drop-down and enter your valid mobile number and click on Send Code. Enter the verification code that will be sent on your mobile number via SMS and click on the Submit button. Now, add in a bank card to your account so that you can start buying some cryptocurrency with your Coinbase account. Click on the Set Up Bank Card option and enter your card details in the text boxes. Start off by typing in your name on the card, the card number, the expiry date, and then the CVC code, and also enter your postal code in the text box and click on Add Card in order to add in a payment method. If you'd like to transfer crypto to your Coinbase from another exchange or wallet, then you can click on this Yes Transfer Crypto and start transferring a cryptocurrency to Coinbase. You can also skip the process for now by clicking on Skip for Now. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that you have successfully created a new Coinbase account. How to log into your Coinbase account. You can easily log in and access your Coinbase account if you've already signed up for Coinbase. Simply open up your Coinbase application on your mobile device, or if you are doing this on a computer, you'll need to open up a web browser. Now, in the URL box, type in www.coinbase.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll be taken to the official web page of coinbase.com. To log into your account, click on the sign in button at the top right next to get started. In the sign in area, you'll need to type in your valid email address associated with Coinbase. Type in your email address in the text box and click on the continue button. You'll be able to see the password text box appearing on the next page. Type in your password associated with Coinbase. If you don't remember your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen prompts to reset to a new password. After filling in your password, click Continue. On the next page, you'll need to enter the 7-digit code sent on your mobile number registered with Coinbase, type it incorrect, and then you'll be able to log into your Coinbase homepage.
How to log into your Coinbase Pro account. Coinbase Pro is a trading platform for individual traders and crypto enthusiasts. It offers a secure and easy way to buy and sell, trade digital assets online instantly across various trading pairs. If you already have an account on Coinbase, then there should be no problem logging in to Coinbase Pro. Simply open up a web browser and go to the URL box at the top, type in pro.coinbase.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of Coinbase Pro that looks like this. Go to the top right hand corner where it says sign in and give it a click. In order to log into your Coinbase Pro account, you'll need to enter your Coinbase account's credentials. Type in your email that is associated with your Coinbase account and head over to the next field. Type in the password correct as well. Make sure to type in the same password that you set up for your Coinbase account and click on sign in. Now, you'll need to enter the 7-digit code sent on your mobile device and click verify. Now, click on the check your inbox button and confirm the link that has been sent to your email address associated with your Coinbase. Click on check your inbox button and this will open up your email associated with your account. You'll receive an email from Coinbase Pro. Click open the email, scroll a bit down and click on yes, it was me. By clicking on that, you'll be verifying your identity that it was you who's trying to sign in from a new device on your Coinbase Pro. Once you click on that, wait for a few seconds and you'll be logged into your Coinbase Pro account right away.
How to reset your Coinbase account's password. If you've forgotten your password during logging into your Coinbase account and you'd like to reset to a new password, then here's how you can do it. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar, type in www.coinbase.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official web page of Coinbase, click on the sign in button at the top right and you'll end up in the login area. Type in your email address associated with your Coinbase account and click on the continue button. On the next page, you'll need to type in your password. If you've forgotten your password during logging in and you'd like to get out of the situation, then simply click on the forgot password link. Confirm your email address if this is the correct one and click on reset password. Now, an instruction to reset your password has been sent to you via email, so open up the same email inbox that you used while signing up for this Coinbase account and you'll be able to see an email from Coinbase. Simply click it open and then click on this choose a new password button. Soon after you do that, on the next page you'll get to enter the new password for your Coinbase account. So enter the new password you'd like to set for your Coinbase account and make sure to type in the password, which will be easier for you to remember, and reconfirm your password on the next field by typing it again, and finally click on the update button. Soon after you do that, you've successfully reset your password for Coinbase. Now, while logging into your account, make sure to enter the new password that you just reset to. Start off by typing in your email and then click continue on the next page. When it asks you to enter your password, make sure to enter the new password that you just reset to. And then click the continue button to get access to your Coinbase account. How to sign out of Coinbase account on your PC. Open up a web browser to get started. Now, type in www.coinbase.com into the web address bar and press enter. Make sure that you're inside the main homepage of Coinbase.com and from the main homepage, click on the profile icon at the top right hand corner. You'll be able to see the sign out button in the pop-up. Give it a click in order to sign out of Coinbase.com. You'll be redirected to the main homepage of Coinbase.com. To get back to your account, you'll need to click on the sign in link at the top right, enter your Coinbase account's credentials, and you'll be able to get access back to your account again. But remember to type in the correct credential while signing into your account.
How to log out of your Coinbase app using your iPhone. If you're done using your application for the day and you'd like to log out of your account for your security since your mobile phone is being used by other family members or your friends, in order to log out or sign out of your Coinbase app, let me first open up the Coinbase application. The first interface or the home page of Coinbase app will look like this. If you'd like to log out of your account, since you are already done using your Coinbase app for the day, simply go to the hamburger menu located at the upper left-hand corner, give it a tap, and this will open up an expanded menu. If you look at the bottom of the pop-up menu, you should be able to see a sign out button. Give it a tap and a pop-up will ask you to confirm if you'd like to sign out or log out of your account. Tap on the sign out button in blue one more time at the bottom left and wait for a few seconds, and that is how you'll be able to log out of your Coinbase application quick and easy. In the future, if you'd like to sign in back again, you should tap on the sign in button in the top right hand corner, enter your credentials, and you'll be good to go.
How to change your password for your Coinbase account. If you'd like to make your Coinbase account more secure, then it is a great idea to change your password now and then. To change your password for your Coinbase account, you can simply open up your Coinbase application on a mobile device, or if you are doing this on a web browser, open up a web browser first. In the URL box, type in www.coinbase.com and press enter. Once you end up in the main home page of Coinbase, make sure that you're logged into your Coinbase account as well. Once you are inside, go and click on your profile icon at the top right hand corner. Now click the settings button in the expanded pop-up. On the next page, click on the security option at the top and click the change password button right next to the password option. First, enter your old password associated with your Coinbase account in the first text box, and then on the next field, type in your new password you'd like to change to. Reconfirm the password by typing it again on the next field. Also, enter the two-step verification code that has been sent on your mobile number via SMS, and then finally click on the confirm button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to update your password right away.
How to transfer Ethereum from Trust Wallet to Coinbase. To transfer Ethereum from Trust Wallet to Coinbase, first tap open your Coinbase app. You'll need to find the wallet address for Ethereum so that you can transfer crypto right away. Tap the receive button from the main interface of Coinbase and you'll be able to find this kind of an interface. Tap the Bitcoin button and from the list of the assets, search for Ethereum and give it a tap. This is the wallet address for your Ethereum coin on Coinbase. Tap on the copy button right next to the address box, and once the address has been copied, tap open Trust Wallet app. Now, from the list of the tokens, simply select Ethereum, and once you see this kind of an interface, tap on the send button. Enter the recipient wallet address that you just copied from Coinbase. On the next field, enter the amount of Ethereum that you'd like to transfer, and now finally tap the next button at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. You need to have sufficient Ethereum balance in order to send it to anyone on Trust Wallet. If you have enough balance, you'll be able to make your transactions right away. That is how you can easily transfer Ethereum from Trust Wallet to Coinbase. But remember to enter the correct wallet address information if you don't want your crypto to be sent to a wrong address. On how to log out of Coinbase on your desktop. If you wish to log out of your Coinbase account, since you are done using your Coinbase for the day on your desktop, then from the main homepage, which looks like this, of Coinbase, go to the upper right hand corner, right where your profile icon is located. Give it a click and you should see a pop-up. In the pop-up, you'll be able to see your settings menu, appearance, reports, help, and sign out button. To sign out of your account or log out of your account, click on the sign out button and you'll be able to log out or sign out of Coinbase on your desktop. If you're using a public device and you'd like to protect your account's security, then you should be logging out of the account. So that was how you can easily log out or sign out of Coinbase on your desktop. To log in back again, you should click on the sign in button from the main homepage of Coinbase and follow the on-screen prompts. How to change your legal name on Coinbase. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box at the top of the screen and type in www.coinbase.com and press enter. Make sure that you're logged into your Coinbase account from the official web page. Click the sign in button in the upper right hand corner and enter your credentials for your Coinbase account to log in. Once logged into your Coinbase account, click on the profile icon at the upper right hand corner. Now click on settings from the pop-up menu. You'll end up in this page where the profile tab is clicked on. Scroll all the way down right where it says personal details and you can see your legal name popping up in the display. In order to change your legal name, you'll need to verify an ID document. click on this here link right where it says change your legal name by verifying an ID document, and on the next page, verify your documents by choosing one of the ID type from the display. You can either choose your passport, driver's license, or your national ID card. Click on any one option and upload your file by clicking on either File Upload and select one of your ID type from your library, or you can also use your mobile camera in order to click the picture of the ID. Also, you can use your webcam, choose any one method, and once you upload your verification information, you'll be able to change your legal name on Coinbase. On how to change your email address on Coinbase. Open up a web browser to begin. Log into your Coinbase account by typing in www.coinbase.com and press enter. Log into your Coinbase account by clicking on the sign in button in the upper right hand corner and entering your credentials. Once you're in to your Coinbase account, click on your profile icon at the upper right hand corner. Click Settings from the pop-up right where it says Email Address. Erase the current email address and type in the new address that you'd like to change to. Click on Save after you are done typing it in. Once you click on Save, you'll need to go ahead and open up your email service provider and verify that you've changed your email address. Once you do that, you'll be able to change your email address for Coinbase. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.